Good evening, everybody. It is the 1942 scenario, UK, turn 18. So for production, I'm buying 7 infantry, 1 artillery, 2 mech, and 1 transport. And I have 41 IPCs, so that's a cost of 40 IPCs. So for this turn, I'll be doing a couple of combat moves. The first one is I'll be moving my fleet down to C-Zone 110, and my 4 transports will be picking up these infantry and artillery units and landing in Normandy. 7 infantry and 1 artillery are landing in Normandy, so there's no units there, so I just land. The other thing I'm doing is the bomber is going to West Germany and bombing that miner factory. So that's my combat. So now I'm going to roll for the anti-aircraft. So the anti-aircraft for that. It's a white die, 1 chance out of 6. Here we go. And it's a miss. So the damage is 2 dice. Or sorry, 6-head die plus 2. So that's 6 more damage on that factory, but the maximum a miner can take is 6. So there's now 6 damage on that miner factory. So I'll just put that on, everybody can take note. So it goes from 2 damage to 6. Okay, so now we do our non-combats. The submarine in 80 is going to go away into 81. The tanks and artillery in Iraq are going to move back to Transjordan. The bomber is going to land. It has a movement of 7, so 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it makes it back to the UK. And you can see all that delicious damage that's being disrupted to the convoys. I've got my convoy disruption markers there. Okay, so I'm going to put on my forces. So the transport is going to go into 106. The 2 mechs are going to go into South Africa, down to the miner factory down there. 2 infantry are going to go into Iraq. And the remaining 5 infantry and 1 artillery are going to go into the UK. And then we'll do disposition of forces. So disposition of forces is 1 transport in Nova Scotia, 1 mech in Ireland. Got 1 bomber, 1 fighter, and 1 tactical in UK. Normandy, we have 7 infantry and 1 artillery. Off Italy, we have a submarine, C-Zone 97. C-Zone 81, we have a submarine. Transjordan, we have 2 tanks and 1 artillery. In Iraq, we have 2 infantry. In Union of South Africa, we have 2 mech. So now going to my production. Oh, there is a convoy attack, so I'm going to roll for that now. So there's 1 submarine off Africa. You can potentially take 2 points away. And they do. They take 2 points away. So for my IPC count, I would be getting 38 if you include the base 31, Tunisia, Libya, Syria, Iraq, and Normandy for 2. That's a total of 38. Minus 2 for the convoy gives me 36 IPCs for next turn. So that was the Japanese submarine convoy attack of Kenya and however you pronounce that other name, Tanganyika. And that's my turn. Thank you very much.